I just want to say that Champion Plumbing is great. I highly recommend them. They have a lot of integrity, great service.
Very much for doing a terrific job and getting here at noon the night after I lost my water heater. It's just terrific, and they did a wonderful job.
They did an excellent job from the beginning to the end. Installation was quick, and the guys are amazing. You gotta use them. Listen to me.
Gracias, señor.
You're welcome.
On time, finished the job, everything was fantastic. Couldn't ask for a better install.
And I'm very grateful to have experts on hand.
Champion Plumbing came to me in an emergency on a Sunday. No questions asked. They were fantastic, did the work quickly, did the work well.
Hi, James for Champion Plumbing. Granger saved me today. He created a miracle.
So what we're going to do is cut the pipe here and reline. We're going to run a reline sleeve, run a sleeve through this pipe. What we're doing is we're going to cut off the cast iron here where it's connected to the fay on the inside there and replace that section. That's
sometimes you have a leak on the inside of where the shower arm screws on the inside, and that can cause big damage. If you've got an upstairs bathroom and every time you turn on the shower you've got water running down, it causes a hell of a lot of damage.
Give us a call.
I've been using Champion Plumbing and Granger for the past 10 years on many of our properties, and very seldom do you encounter someone who is honest, who is ethical, who is extremely professional in what he does.